there guys, I'm back again and I'm just now realizing that my washing machine is making a hell of a lot of noise. Sorry about that if you guys can hear it. I think you can. Anyway, today we are going to unbox the last of the August boxes, and then I wanted to say up to date, but I'm not, because I still have to do 3 more September unboxings and it's already the end of September. It's almost October, so got a long while to go. Anyway, today we are going to unbox the last August box, which is the Goodiebox. Now let's open it up immediately because I'm already so freaking late with all of these unboxings. And we've got the booklet here, and the booklet says the Claim Your Happiness box. I'm gonna rip apart the paper. Wow, very white aesthetic box. This is what it looks like, and everything is white in here, so that's pretty exciting. But you guys, before we get on unboxing, I want to remind you to enter my giveaway. We need to reach 600 subscribers for me to give away a satchel filled with makeup, and after that immediately a brand new giveaway will start. So you guys can help me out by that by asking your friends and family members to subscribe to my channel. The sooner we reach 600 subscribers, the sooner I'm going to give away that satchel and a new giveaway will start. So make sure to check out one of my previous videos. It'll say in the title giveaway, you can't miss it. Make sure to check it out. Okay, now let's get unboxing. I'm going to grab the biggest thing in here probably, which is number 2 Carmameju Star Age Defense Micellar Water. This is what it looks like. I think we already have this, if I'm not mistaken. I think I already tried this micellar water out in a review. Reviews on my channel are also empties, because I empty out stuff and then I kind of give you my review on it. So it's not just an empties video, it's also my review and my opinion on it. You know what I'm gonna do, since I already tried this sucker out, I'm pretty sure I did, I'm gonna pass this along in a giveaway as well, so make sure to check out my giveaways. Now let's check out the booklet. It's a full size, the Carmameju, I don't know how to pronounce this brand. The store worth is 22 euros. Starting off, not so good. Okay, let's move on to Terre de Mars, or Terre de May, number 19. Radition Revitalizing Shampoo. Okay, that's pretty cool. So it's got coffee extracts and it regenerates. It tones, verbena tones, and wheat protein moisturizes. So that's what is in here. This is what that shampoo looks like. Now let's check out the booklet. It's a full size. And the Radition Revitalizing Shampoo is worth 19 euros. Okay, moving on to a pot, which says gold, made with love, goldhaircare.com, hair care, hair scalp massager. Okay, this is what that box looks like. Hopefully you guys can see, woo, shiny. It's golden. Let's open up the box and try not to demolish this box, because I'm pretty sure if it's, yeah, it is what I think it is. I'm gonna grab it out. I'm not gonna touch anything, but I also know, there we go, I'm gonna give away this sucker to one of you in a future giveaway. So this is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. And basically you put this on your hair and you massage it. I'm not going to actually put it on my hair because I want to give it away to one of you guys, and that would not be hygienic at all. It has not been sealed or whatever. That's why I'm opening it and showing it to you guys, but of course I'm not going to use it. So you guys can win this in a future giveaway, but first this giveaway, it needs to end, so make sure to subscribe. Okay, it's a full size. The Gold Professional Hair Scalp Massager is worth 20 euros. This box has got like a very clean aesthetic, like shampoo, the hair scalp, the micellar water. I'm very excited to see what else is in here. I feel like it's very cleaning. This is Able Skincare London. Hyaluronic Acid Age Recovery Night Cream. Oh, thank the Lord, we received a night cream. I'm in desperate need of a night products and nighttime products. Like I have 1,000,001 moisturizers for the day, but I don't have for the night. So I'm really in need of this. Okay, the Able Skincare Hyaluronic Acid Age Recovery Night Cream is worth, is this a typo? 88 euros? Like hell, I'm not cheating you. Okay, 88, can you guys read that? 88, see, store worth 88 euros. Like I'm not shitting you. It's a full size. Hello, I don't even know what to say. Okay, I had extremely high expectations for this to be that price, and I think that's fair. Okay, let's just move on because I don't know what to say. I'm kind of flabbergasted. Moving on to Sandstone, and this is a Infinite Summer Bronzer number 32 Summer Glow, and I have so many bronzers. By the way, it's not sealed, so that's why I'm opening it. Wow, learn to speak. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm going to give it away to one of you guys in a future giveaway. So the Sandstone Scandinavia Infinite Summer Bronzer is worth, none of this is true. So it says over here, the store worth is 33 euros for 9 grams. They claim in this booklet you get 6 grams, which is worth 22 euros. And when I look on this little sucker, it says there is only 3 grams in here. So I did not get the 6 gram worth 22 euros. I got the smaller version, which is 3 grams, and that one is only worth 11. Doesn't matter either way to me because I'm going to give it away to one of you. Maybe it matters to you, I'm sorry, but that's what I'm dealing with here. Okay, guys, yeah, box is empty. What do I think about this last month's, box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, of which I'm going to keep 2. That is not a good box. I don't know. With the Goodiebox, it started off on such a high note when they first dropped here in Holland, and I was hoping that we would receive such items, but we pay more for these boxes to only get 5 items. 25 bucks for this box when the Style Tone box is 30 bucks, but I get like 10 items. I'm just gonna say it, I just feel like the amped up price is just not there. Yeah, you can place a ridiculously expensive item and claim, but it's worth so much. I have to check it out whether or not it's actually worth that, because it's so easy to just label like a ridiculous amount, like price on something, but that still doesn't mean it is worth it. And I just personally don't feel like this box is actually worth the 25 euros. And for the people saying, oh, you're only so negative. No, I'm not negative, but I'm realistic. We pay for these boxes. I don't get this box for free in any way. I don't get anything for free. I pay for it myself. And I just feel like Style Tone has so much more quality in their boxes, especially given the price and then what you get in those boxes, because we get a lot of high priced items in those boxes as well, but we still get about 10 items solid every month. So it's just $5 more expensive than this one. I just personally, for me, this box is a wah, as I'm giving away 3 out of 5 items, and the 2 items that I'm keeping is a shampoo and the night cream. And honestly, like, I'm most stoked for the night cream in hopes that it will actually do something. Like I said, easy to place 88 bucks on a product doesn't mean it's actually worth those 88 bucks. We'll still have to see. So, I don't know, guys. Leave me in the comment section down below. What do you guys think about the box? I would definitely like to hear your opinions about this. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Now we can finally start with the September boxes. Bye, guys.